No matter what you are, I will always be with you. Doesn't matter what you do, girl. Ooh, girl, with you.
Hey everybody, Steve with STP Van back again with the warning, day number 55. Tell me the truth, guys. Y'all really think that I would pull this off? I didn't think I would, but here I am on day 55. I decided to go with something different today. I found a video. It's a sound check at Los Cabos, Queen of the Murder Scene. The reason I pulled it up, I just thought it was cool. They're Ollie and Danny are both wearing shorts, and of course Ollie and Power, daunting the shades in this one too. So it looks like it'd be pretty cool to watch this. So we're gonna check this out. Like I said, Queen of the Murder Scene sound check at Los Cabos. If you like my channel, hit subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below, and let's get started. Okay, first thing I noticed is the drums sound really good. They're mic'd up really nice here. Yeah, this is definitely, the drums sound really good. Well, that's pretty cool. Like I said, did sound checks. We did the sound checks also. It's always just kind of casual and do what you want to do. But that sounded really good. Um, I don't know what show this is from. I'm Los Cabos, but I don't know what show it was. I'll have to check it out and see what show it was. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Like I said, day 55. We're gonna keep it going. Hope you guys have a great evening or a great morning, whichever comes first to you. And we'll see you tomorrow.